This is me, Nasim Reza. As a top-rated freelancer, always I want winning clients and project, explaining strategy clearly, building trust and authority, and of course, saving money and increasing more productivity. That's why every day I have to make presentation. And making a presentation is not easy. You have to research idea, you have to make content, and you have to combine them on a slide maker tools for making better presentation. Sometime when I have too much project and I got busy, I try to hire someone expert from Upwork and Fiverr for making my presentation. But for doing that, I have to spend couple $100 and even thousand. I really don't like that. That's not good for me. I really want to save my time and money. That's why I spend few hours for researching. And finally, I have got the perfect solution for me. Introducing
That's Gamma, a completely new medium for presenting ideas, powered by AI.
Gamma is not just another presentation tools. It builds slides for you, format them beautifully, and let you focus on your content. No more struggling for design. Wow. This is the login view and you will see when you sign in on Gamma.app. And here you can see, let's start with create with AI, our first presentation. I am going to pick generate, but you can import URL or paste text. So let's generate, and here you can see it's not like a presentation tool. You can make social media, web page and document as well. Let's hit the presentation and write a prompt. Then generate a quick outline and see what happens. First of all, this tool's generating the outline for me, and you can edit and you can change everything from now, and then you can select anything. You can select your theme, and if you think everything is okay, then you have to generate again. And after that, this tool will start making presentation in front of you like this. OMG guys, this is super incredible and fast, and it's blow my mind how useful these tools is. I'm super grateful to find out these tools for making my business presentation every day. And here you can see you can change every logo, every text anytime. Just you have to write a prompt, their built-in AI will change automatically in front of you. And even when you complete your presentation, you can change the theme anytime. And you can check the presentation by click on view presentation button on the top of the right. And this is super incredible and amazing, and you can increase the length of this presentation and you can go back your prompt. And let's see how you can change the theme. And this is how just one click you can change your theme. You can do whatever you want, like, so this is super incredible. And let's see how it will look, because with slide animation is important. Let's check the animation. Yes, it's super cool. It's showing us with the super professional animation, and it's look good. And now within few click I made it. That's not the end yet. The surprise is still alive. With these Gamma AI tools, you can generate the photo and even your website. When I go AI image, then type a little prompt black cat on hand, and then you can see this is boom. Within few seconds, this generate show me the black cat. Let me show you how you can make a portfolio website within a second with this Gamma app. Going on the site and hit generate, and now I am writing a short prompt for me. I'm a top-rated freelancer on Upwork, specialized on digital marketer, and make a portfolio website for me, and then hit generate. And let's see, it's like the presentation first it will show me the outline and what I want from this tool. So if everything is alright, then I am going to click on generate, but just choose a theme first. I choose black one and the top of the section are okay, and now click on generating, and here you can see within few seconds this app started generating website in front of me. Guys, look at this. Without any single coding, without any professional developer, I am making my portfolio website within a second with this app. And here it is, how professional it is. It's actually quite hard to understand this website generated by AI. Okay, and you know, here is a built-in feature with you can connect your custom domain as well. And here you can see this is the complete website. You just need to do few customization before publishing your website. And here you can see this is the option you can connect your website, and let's see the preview mode. And this is the preview mode, guys, and how look professional it is. So it's quite incredible, and from now you are a developer if you use this app. So that's why I recommend you to guys at least try this app for your business, for your presentation, and for your making website. This is absolutely amazing, guys. Yes, it is amazing. This was me before finding this app, and this was now my current look after getting this app. Let me show you the pricing section, like is it free or how much you have to pay if you want to use these awesome tools. This is Gamma.app pricing table, and here you can see you can start using this tool completely free without no credit card required. But if you want to use their premium version and if you want to get full potential of their built-in AI, you have to pay at least $10 per month. But if you get their yearly pack, it will reduce $2 per month, so it will cost $8 per month. That will you can save $96 annually. And here you can see all the features are available with this tool. So I am very close to end, but for your help I will give this app link on this video description, and I am using the premium version of this tool, and I am super happy to use this tool, and my freelancing journey is increasing. If you want, you can use these tools at least one time. I think if you really need the presentation every day, these tools will save you money and save you time, and you can focus on marketing. That will be so useful for you. So that's all for today. If you found this video was useful, then hit the thumbs up, and if you want to see more video from me, then consider subscribing to this channel because it will help me to continue working on this. My name is Nasim. I will see you on the next one. Till then, bye. Have a great day.